We're gonna go ahead, like Carter was saying, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at some data reuse, some show you some tricks that we can use, some extra applications that you may not be aware of with Solid Edge to help reuse some of the data you already created. We'll take a look at some standard parts and standardization, and then we'll do some shape search capabilities that we have within Teamcenter and Active Workspace. So if I go ahead and load up this right here would be our Active Workspace um, interface. So this is within the web browser. There's no extra client. I can just go ahead and come in here and I can do some different types of searches. I can search against part numbers. It gives me suggestions on what I need to search for. I can search against part numbers, metadata, things like that. So for this particular instance, I'm going to take a look at this Rev B of my little dump truck, my little demo set that I've got there. And this particular one, there's my list of all the components that came with this particular assembly. And with this assembly, you can see I've got a couple axles, I've got a basket, and if you can't quite see some of these things, we can change, you can change the view, that way you can get a better view of it. But say, I wanted to reuse some of this data. I could reuse the entire assembly, particular piece part components. Say I wanted to pick and choose, I could open this up inside of, say inside of a CAD product. If I open it up inside, say, Solid Edge, I went ahead and opened it up in here. What I could do is I could modify one part at a time. I could save as, go into my Teamcenter tab. I can do save as, I can do revise, and kind of do a general portion and start reusing some parts of this particular particular piece part. But say I wanted to go kind of one step above that. Say I wanted to go in for a more targeted or a mass reproduction.